Start 60, slight right, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go 60, slight right, into 3 left short, to 3 right for crest, half long and 3 left, 60. 1 left short, 50. 3 left, tightens. 2 right short, to 2 left, tightens, into 6 right, slowing, and 2 right, 50. 1 left, opens, 30. And 2 right, keep in, and late, hairpin left. To square right, opens, 30. Square left short, 50. Open hairpin right. And hairpin left. 30, slowing, 6 left, into slight right, and 1 right, tightens, into 5 left, caution, into 6 right, into turn, hairpin left, 90, hairpin right, into 2 left, opens half long, tightens 1, into 6 right, 6 left, slowing, and to right, into slight left, 50, 2 left short, into late, 1 right, into 2 left short, and 4 right, 40. Late, 3 left, keep in, into 1 right short, into 2 left, and 2 right, tightens, into 3 left short, 4 right short, slowing, 70. Slight left, into 1 right, opens, tightens, square, into 2 left, into crest, and slight right. Into hairpin left. 6 right, don't cut. 30, 5 right to the crest, and 3 left. 30, caution, 5 left, into late, 1 right, to 5 left short, and slight left, into 2 left, tightens, and hairpin right, don't cut, and 2 right short, slowing, 100. Caution, square right sharp, into square left, opens, and 2 right short, keep in, 30. 4 right, into late, 3 left, short, 60. 3 left sharp. And late 4 left, long, slowing, 60. 4 left short, to hairpin right, past junction and square left, to 5 right of the crest, 50. 5 left, to 4 right, tightens, and 6 left of the crest, to sudden 3 right, very long, tightens. Late 2 left. Into 2 right short, into 4 left, don't cut, into 5 right, slowing. Into slight left, sudden 1 left, half long, and 1 right, 30. 1 left short, don't cut, and 1 right, 70. Slowing, 4 left, into 1 right, opens, 40, caution, late, 1 right. Into square left, turn square left, don't cut. And crest, into 6 left, half long, and late 6 right, half long, 70, into slight left, and crest, 70, slowing, slight left, tightens 4, 40, caution, 4 right, long tightens, into bridge, and 3 left, right entry chicane. .320. Slight right into 5 left, opens 300. Pass junction. Crest 330. Slowing, left entry chicane. 100. 4 right, half long tightens. 150, 4 left, tightens, 2 right short and 3 left, through posts and 5 right, 30. 5 left, through junction, 60. Slowing, slight right, slight left and 5 right, tightens, 50. 4 left, through posts, into right of the crest, to slight left, 40. Slight right, half long over finish, 70, slight left and 1 left to stop. Okay, that's a 6 minute 7.3.